Hey there! In this episode of Analytics Academy, I'm going to show you how you can use a tool called Attributor to capture Google Ads data with each submission of your Duda forms so that you can ultimately track which campaigns, ads, and keywords are generating your leads. Let's jump in. Attributor is a small bit of code you add to your website. When a visitor lands on your site, it detects where they came from and saves the data in a cookie. Then when they complete a form on your website, it writes the data into hidden fields in the form, and the data is captured by your form tool and can be sent to your CRM and other tools. Finally, you can use this data to run reports that show things like how many leads you got from your Google Ads, how many customers you got from each of your Google Ads campaigns, or how much revenue you got from each keyword you're bidding on. Now that you understand how it works, let's see how easy it is to set up. When you sign up for a free trial, you'll get given a bit of code to add to your website. To add it to your Duda site, simply go to the settings section, select the head HTML option, and paste it into the box. You can also use tools like Google Tag Manager to add it in as well. Now go to the form you want Attributor to work with, select the Edit HTML and CSS option, and paste the code for the hidden fields. You can see the code and full instructions in the article on our help site. That's it, you're done. Now when someone completes a form on your website, Attributor will write information on where they came from into these hidden fields, and it will be captured by Duda Forms. You can then include this information in your lead notification emails, store it in a spreadsheet, send it to your CRM, whatever you need. To learn more and start a free trial, visit attributor.io today.